everyone. So I'm Irene and welcome to First Time Traveler channel, and for this video I'm going to share you my total expenses for tourist visa processing from Philippines to Netherlands. And disclaimer, I'm not a visa expert, and what I'm going to share is my own experience, and remember, it is always case-to-case basis when it comes to visa processing and approval. And here for fees VFS Makati, that is the place where you're going to submit all your application, and then they will forward it to the Netherlands embassy. And for the VFS application, I paid 1011. That is application through online, and I paid also through online so that you can get your printed application form. And then for the courier, I paid 400 pesos, and that is through LBC, and this is optional. I prepared to deliver via LBC my passport and visa, so I don't need to go back to the VFS Makati. And then for the visa fee for the Netherlands, 4,650. That's the visa fee for the Netherlands. And here I avail extra 3,000 pesos because I'm working in the I avail this extra fees called prime time. Just in case I'm late, they can accommodate me any time of the day, and this is very helpful and to all the working applicants, and they are very strict on time. And what I know is if you are late with your setup appointment, you need to get a new appointment again, and the 1011 is non-refundable. And if you avail of the regular per 1,650 visa fee for the Netherlands, make sure you come on time. And also so the 4,650 and the 3,000, I've paid it sa VFS Makati na. And make sure to keep the receipt. And if your documents are not complete, that may also lead to the denial. And the fees are non-refundable, and so make sure all the documents are ready, and those are the Netherlands visa fees. And let's go with other expenses also aside from the v aside from the visa fee that I paid through the Netherlands. And also I paid also the dummy flight ticket, and which is 515 pesos. And it is advisable not to buy a real ticket kapag nag-a-apply pa lang kayo ng visa. So I made this through a travel agency. And also the other expenses in the visa application process, I paid a insurance, which I get the standard insurance. This is not a paid advertisement, and so for me, for 14 days I paid 2,703 pesos. And I avail it through standard insurance because I heard that once the visa was denied, you can refund it. But thankfully my visa was granted. And like what I said, the 2,703 is only good for 14 days. So for travel insurance, the longer the duration of your travel, the higher the cost. And also for the photocopies, print, scan, my total expenses for that is 1,082 pesos. And but if you have your own printer or other scan, you can disregard this. And these are the documents. I prepared 3 copies, one original for me, and one for the VFS for Netherlands embassy, and also one for the immigration officer for the Philippines and Netherlands, just in case that they ask some of the documents that you also submitted to the embassy. It's better to be over prepared when it comes to the immigration officer or the IO. That is para iwas upload na sinasabi nila. And also, other expenses is the bank certificate. I paid 400 pesos only, which is 200 each copy of bank certificate. And also, for the statement of account, I paid 100 pesos. Maikli lang, walang ganong movement dun sa bangko. And 50 per page po yan. And the so all in all, the summary of expenses for visa processing fees that I you know that I paid all in all, kasama na yung other fees like bank certificate or statement of account, 500, and the total BFS fees in my case is 9,061. Regular application minus the 3,000 which I paid for the prime time is will only 6,061 only. That's already included your appointment, your Netherlands fees, and the LBC. Those, and the dummy ticket, which is 515, travel insurance 2,703. Then nag-grab car din ako noon, and that's a total. Grab car ko is 1,584 pesos. Kwentado talaga. And also, so my total expenses for do-it-yourself Schengen visa processing through Netherlands is all in all is 15,445. Pero kung hindi ko inabill yung additional 3,000, that is 12,445 pesos. So yan po ang gastos ko for DIY or do-it-yourself. Then kung mag-visa consultant or agency kayo, I inquired one time, charge nila is almost 20K per person, and add that up to the 12,445 in my case, that is almost 33,000 for just visa processing, and pray that is approved kundi charged to experience that amount of money, the 33,000 pesos. And so that is up to you. If money is not a problem, go for it. Go for a travel agency or visa consultancy. And for me, mas mahirap pag may third party na involved, and piliin nyo yung mabilis sumagot sa inquiries nyo. May iba na pag nagbayad na kayo, parang ang hirap na nila kontakin, di ba? At isipin nyo rin na marami silang clients na inaasikaso, then they will pass you along sa agents nila na di naman personally experience sa visa processing. So it's up to you po. And yan lang po ma-share ko for now, and good luck to everyone for applying the Schengen tourist visa to Europe. And please hit the subscribe button to watch more of my personal experience. And yes, thank you for watching again, everyone. A blessed day to all of you. Thank you.